Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my first video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to prepare a final year project report and how simply you can put in the table of contents, the list of figures, the list of tables, and the bibliography. So let's start. So the first page is title page where you have to put the project title. Make sure these are aligned in the center. Then you need to put the student details and then the supervisor detail and the college logo and the college name. In the next page we have declaration part. The next page we have certificate part where we have the signature of all the external and internal project guide and the HOD. Then we have the acknowledgement and then we have the abstract of the project, and then starts the table of content. So I am going to help you how we can create this table of content. So let's first see what all things are there in our report. So in our report we have, after table of content, we have list of tables, list of figures that to be included. Then we have chapter 1 where we give introduction about our topic. Then there is a subheading. Then we have some figures. We have another subheading. Then we have the next chapter and so on. So let's see how I will be including the chapters here. So first of all, I will start with the declaration section. So first select the title of this page, that is declaration. Then go to references. So before going to references, convert it into heading. Convert it into whatever color you want, whatever font size you want. So I basically prefer 16 and Times New Roman. Then align it to the center. That is done. Fine. Go to the next page. Same way, select the certificate part, put it in a heading, then select the font size, then Times New Roman, convert it to the color of your choice, align it to the center. Similarly, I will do it for the acknowledgement part, convert it into the heading, font size, and the center alignment. Fine. Save the document, Ctrl S. So the next thing is abstract. Do the similar thing for the abstract also. Font size, Times New Roman, bold, and center alignment. Fine. Now we have the 3 pages ready with their headings. The declaration page, the certificate page, the acknowledgement, and the abstract. Now we'll go to the table of content. So write it down, or I will start it from the beginning. So first of all, you select it and maybe remove it. So we'll start putting the table of content. Go to references, table of content, put automatic table 1. Fine. So here Either in the place of content, you can change it to Times New Roman. That good. So what happened is, when you convert the declaration part, certificate part, and acknowledgement part into heading, it already got updated into the table of contents. So next thing that we have to update in the table is the chapters. The list of figure and all that we will update later, but before that we'll update chapters. So let's go to the chapter 1. So in the chapter 1, what we have to do is select chapter 1, home, heading, convert it into the color of your choice, font size 16, Times New Roman, and bold. For introduction, you can just keep it in the center in a normal setting, bold, Times New Roman 16 or 16, fine, introduction. So now go to the table of content, select here. You can see the update table option. Click on the update table option, then select update entire table. Okay. Now the chapter 1 got included in your table of content. Next you can do is chapter 2. We'll go to the chapter 2. So this is chapter 2. Select this one, convert it into heading, font size and the type, bold, black, bold, center line, and the normal, bold, Times New Roman 16, done. So the chapter 2 also I have updated in the heading chapter 2, and this part is in normal. So let's go to the table of content. Now click on the table of content and you can see update table option. Click on update table, update entire table. Okay. So chapter 2 got updated. Now in the chapter 2 we can have subsections like in the chapter 1. So how to update subsections? Let's go to the chapter 2. So we have one subsection here. What is electric vehicle charging? Select this part, convert this to heading 2. After converting to heading 2, we can write here 2.2. Sorry, 2.1. Yeah. Now select this one, bold, font size 14, Times New Roman, black. Similarly, okay. So we have updated this subsection here. We'll then go to the table of contents and we can update the table of contents. So now we have the subsection, what is electric vehicle charge. So in this way we can do the subsections and all, similarly for the chapter 3 and all. The next thing I want to tell you is how to put the list of figures. So before I start, I will start with the scratch. So remove this part. So I have to put here list of figures. So again go to references, insert table of figures. So this will be the format in which table of figures will be coming. Then OK. How to insert figure? So you can give heading also here. List of figures. Select this one. This should also come into the heading, center aligned, bold, black, Times New Roman, 16, fine. Next thing, how to add figure there, how to update figure there. So this is one figure for which I want to just right click and update figure, no table form. Now I will update the table. How? I'll go to this figure, I'll select this figure, then I will go to references, then I will go to insert caption, and this is figure 1. The figure name is battery charging. Using DC source. I'll click OK. And now I will go to the table of content, table of figures, and now I will update the tables. So it came here, figure 1, battery charging using DC source, and this shows the page number. So it also got the hyperlink. When you click Control and the mouse click, will go to the figure directly. So this is how the figure also got updated. So now this list of figure should also come in this table. So for that you need to click and you need to update the entire table. So list of figures also came in this table. So this is the way how it is done. So similarly you can update the list of tables. And finally we want to update bibliography section. So click here, we want to put references or the bibliography section. So similarly we go to references and then we go to this section and select bibliography style. So this is on built-in style, we'll select this one. So it is saying that there is no source available. We go to home, we'll change this one again to Times New Roman, size 16, bold, and black. So next thing that we have to do is we have to add sources. So again go to references. We have to go to the insert citation and add sources. So in the add sources, suppose I want to put a reference for filter design. So you have some IEEE paper. So this paper talks about LCL filter design for grid connected converters. So I'll take this title, copy, put it in the title, then I'll take the journal name. The journal name is this. Let's copy this journal name. IEEE transaction on power electronics. Go to the document, journal name. Year of publication is 2014, and then pages. Pages is 5067 to 5077. So not more detail. We'll now put the author's name. We'll go to all authors and then we'll be selecting the author's name here. Then select, we'll put authors and comma, first author name, then we'll put the second author name, then again I will put the third author name. So likewise you can put all the details, and this is done. Okay, so first source is created. Okay, So now I want to refer this source. So I want to refer this source here in this document. So I'll click here, insert citation. I will refer this one. Also, you remember one thing, to always keep this style in IEEE. This is standard one. So the first reference we got here, and in the reference table, what I will do is I will update. So I've got the update here. Okay. So the first reference also got updated in the bibliography section. So similarly, we can add more and more sources here. So if you like the video, if it helps you, do like and subscribe. Thank you.